Good day, this is the Professor, drwillphd, PhD, and today is Wednesday, November 23rd, 2022. It is 7:22 and 37 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, baby's brain. So let's hop to it here. When drinking during pregnancy changes baby's brain structure. Date November 22nd, 2022. Source, Radiological Society of North America. A new MRI study revealed that consumption of alcohol, even in low to moderate amounts, during pregnancy can change a baby's brain structure and delay brain development. The fetal MRI is a highly specialized and safe examination method that allows us to make accurate statements about brain maturation prenatally. Alcohol consumption during pregnancy can expose a fetus to a group of conditions called fetal alcohol spectrum disorders. And babies born with fetal alcohol spectrum disorders could develop learning disabilities, behavioral problems, or speech and language delays. Unfortunately, many women are unaware of the influence of alcohol on the fetus during pregnancy. Therefore, it is our responsibility not only to do the research, but also to actively educate the public about the effects of alcohol on the fetus. Researchers analyzed MRI exams of 24 fetuses with prenatal alcohol exposure. The fetuses were between 22 and 36 weeks of gestation at the time of MRI. Alcohol exposure was determined via anonymous surveys of the mothers. The questionnaires used were the Pregnancy Risk Assessment Monitoring System, a surveillance project of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and Health Departments, and the AIDS screening tool, a measurement tool of 4 questions that identify risk drinking. In fetuses with alcohol exposure, the fetal total maturation score was significantly lower than in the AIDS match controls, and the right superior temporal sulcus was shallower. The superior temporal sulcus involved in social cognition, audiovisual integration, and language perception. They found that the greatest changes in the temporal brain region, the superior temporal sulcus. They know that this region, and specifically the formation of the superior temporal sulcus, has a great influence on language development during childhood. The brain changes were seen in the fetuses, even at low levels of alcohol exposure. 17 to 24 mothers drank alcohol relatively infrequently, with average alcohol consumption of less than 1 alcoholic drink per week. Nevertheless, they were able to detect significant changes in these fetuses based on prenatal MRI. 3 mothers drank 1 to 3 drinks per week, and 2 mothers drank 4 to 6 drinks per week. 1 mother consumed, on average, of 14 or more drinks per week. 6 mothers also reported at least 1 binge drinking event exceeding 4 drinks on 1 occasion during pregnancy. According to the researchers, delayed fetal brain development could be specifically related to a delayed stage of myelination and less distinct gyrification in the frontal and occipital lobes. The myelination process is critical to brain and nervous system function. Myelin protects nerve cells, allowing them to transmit information faster. Important developmental milestones in infants, as rolling over, crawling, and language processing, are directly linked to myelination. Gyrification refers to the formation of the folds of the cerebral cortex. This folding enlarges the surface area of the cortex with limited space in the skull, enabling an increase in cognitive performance. When gyrification is diminished, functionality is reduced. The pregnant women should strictly avoid alcohol consumption, as they show in the study. Even low levels of alcohol consumption can lead to structural changes in brain development and delayed brain maturation. The researchers say it is unclear how these structural changes will affect brain development in these babies after birth. And to assess this accurately, they need to wait for the children who were examined as fetuses at the time to get a little older so that they can invite them back for further examinations. However, they can strongly assume that the changes they discovered contribute to the cognitive and behavioral difficulties that may occur during childhood. And this is the professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.